Hey guys, welcome back to Clean Green Being. My name is Shelly. If it's your first time here, thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. So in honor of Earth Day or Earth Week of 2019, Erin and I thought we would be posting a few videos to our YouTube channel and other posts to our Instagram about eco-friendly and sustainable products and tips that we have implemented into our own personal lifestyles so that we can help contribute to reduce our carbon footprint and protect our Mother Earth, because we only get one. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a really fantastic brand that I think emulates what I think more brands should be aligning themselves to, and that is more sustainable and eco-friendly packaging and manufacturing practices. The brand that I am referring to is Seed Phytonutrients. I have their shampoo and conditioner and some other hair care products, but they do also make body lotion, and I think I saw a facial serum on there as well, so skincare products. I really love this shampoo and conditioner. They are for color treated hair. It has raspberry seed oil to help protect hair that is colored or damaged from coloring. Some really interesting facts about this brand is that all of their packaging is made from post-consumer recycled material. This is their shampoo bottle, and as you can see, it has almost like this cardboard type casing, and this is actually post-consumer recycled paper, and it is compostable, 100% compostable, and the pump and the inner lining is made from recycled plastic as well, and it is 100% recyclable. That is amazing. I know you're probably thinking like, that is a paper bottle. How is that going to go in your shower? Well, actually, I read on their website, because I had the same feelings when I bought this initially. This is the first brand to have a shower-friendly paper bottle, and I think that's really cool. Another fact that I think is pretty interesting is that once you're done with the product, you can remove the outer casing, recycle the lining, and then there is actually a packet of heirloom seeds that you can plant and give back to our earth. So in addition to being able to recycle the product, we can give back to the planet, and these are really high performing products as well. So not only are these products really great for the environment, they also are really high performing hair care products. I have, again, their shampoo and conditioner, and I also have their volume and texture spray and a leave-in moisture treatment. I have been using them over the last month, and I am really pleased with how these products have performed. One thing I will mention about the shampoo is that if you are used to shampoos that get real sudsy and have, a lot of lathering to it, you're not going to get that from this shampoo or really any other shampoos that don't include the ingredient sodium lauryl sulfate. So it is an ingredient that is harmful to our health. So this brand does not include sulfates, so you're not going to get a full sudsy lather. It is still cleaning your hair, I will assure you that. It's just kind of something different and to maybe make a mental note of. It is something you can adapt to and get used to. So again, this is their Color Care shampoo, has raspberry seed oil in it. I think it does a really nice job at keeping my color treated hair healthy while also preventing it from turning brassy. My hair has a tendency to turn brassy if I don't use products that are specifically for color treated hair. So this is really nice. I think it clarifies your hair and it doesn't leave any weird residue, which is also great. In terms of their conditioner, it is a really nice, light, creamy conditioner. It isn't heavy and it hasn't left my hair greasy yet. In terms of the scent, both of these products, the shampoo and conditioner, have a really nice, light, natural scent. It kind of reminds me of Aveda type vibes. If you've ever smelled Aveda's products, just so natural and fresh. I am definitely getting that from the scents in these products as well. Some other features about Seed Phytonutrients products is that they do not include parabens or sulfates in their products. They are a vegan brand and do not support animal testing. Again, their packaging is 100% compostable. They use natural fragrances, and all of their ingredients are 93 to 100% in natural origin. Amazing. One thing I forgot to mention about the shampoo is that it is actually an Allure Best of Beauty winner for 2018. So even Allure has their eye on this brand. I also saw that you could purchase this at Sephora, I think. I will also list other places where you can purchase it below. I found mine at my local Whole Foods, and you can always purchase it directly through the Seed Phytonutrient website. But I think it's pretty cool, and I would agree with Allure. This is a really, really high-performing natural shampoo. Hair products, I also have their Volume Texturizing Spray, which has grapefruit seed oil in it for normal to fine hair. It almost has like a I'm getting a little bit of grapefruit, but it also has like a peppermint smell to it. It's really, really nice and fresh. Again, not too heavy on my hair. I have some texturizing sprays like this by other brands, and it can get real greasy real quick, and I think this product is a little bit forgiving. I haven't had that problem yet. And I also think it helps to add a little bit of volume to my hair and texture as well. And lastly, I also have their Moisture Leave-In Treatment. It is meadow foam seed oil in it for dry and damaged hair. On the weekends when I like to give my hair a break and just let my hair air dry, I will put in this moisture treatment just to kind of bring some life and moisture back into my hair, because I'm sure I'm damaging it throughout the week when I blow dry it. And this has a very nice light fragrance as well, nothing heavy. This isn't heavy either, so if you want to use this during the week, if you really have dry ends, I'm sure this would be fantastic for long hair. This would be great to put on your ends and just kind of help protect them. With that being said, that is Seed's Phytonutrients in a nutshell. I really love this brand and what they stand for. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried Seed's, if you've tried their moisturizing lotion or their facial serum. I'm really interested to hear because I kind of want to try them. And with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday and Wednesday, so if you are interested in viewing all of the future uploads, then be sure to hit the bell notification icon below, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.